Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use your JAS elbow brace to help improve both straightening and bending your arm. You'll learn how to set up and put on the brace, go through the JAS therapy session, and get helpful tips for your comfort. By following these steps, you'll get the best results from your therapy. Your custom-fit JAS brace comes with the following parts: upper arm cuff, lower arm cuff, pull pins, therapy knob, turning dial, cuff straps, and lastly, clip-on stand. Setting up the brace. The pull pins on the JAS elbow brace lets you choose your direction of therapy, either extension to straighten the elbow or flexion to bend your arm in the opposite direction. Before you begin, decide which direction you'll be working on and make sure your brace is set up correctly. Your brace new out of the box is set up ready for extension therapy. If you need to start your session with flexion therapy, just follow these simple steps to switch it over. Set up for flexion therapy. First, remove the pull pin from the lower arm cuff and slide it into the flexion hold position. Then, reinsert the pull pin to lock it in place. Next, remove the second pull pin from the upper arm cuff. Then, detach the cuff and reattach it into the lower groove using the guide pins to help position it. Finally, reinsert the pull pin to secure it. Set up for extension therapy. If you need to switch the brace back to extension therapy to straighten the elbow, first remove the lower pull pin. Slide the lower arm cuff towards the extension hole. Then, reinsert the pull pin to secure it. Next, remove the second pull pin from the upper arm cuff. Then, detach the cuff and reattach it into the upper groove using the guide pins to help position it. Finally, reinsert the pull pin to lock it in place. Once your brace is set up correctly, you're ready to put it on. How to put on your brace for extension therapy. It's best to sit upright in a stable chair and rest the base of the device on a comfortable, supportive surface, like on your lap or to your side. To get the best results, place the brace cuffs directly against your skin. Avoid fitting the brace over clothing, as this may cause it to slip out of position during use. To fit the brace, attach the clip-on stand to the base and rest on your knee or a table for stability while fitting the device. Turn the therapy knob so the brace matches the furthest you can comfortably straighten your arm. Loosen all straps and place your arm inside the brace. Check that the therapy knob is on the inner side of the brace. Make sure the elbow joint marker on the brace lines up with the tip of your elbow. Turn the therapy knob until your elbow is in a comfortable position without causing any stretch. You can rest your hand palm up, palm down, or in a neutral position in between. Choose a position that feels natural to you. For your comfort during the session, feel free to gently move your hand and fingers or adjust your hand position as needed. Fasten the upper arm cuff straps by feeding through the D-rings and secure for a comfortable fit. Adjust the position of the lower arm cuff so it's centered on your forearm by loosening the grey turning dial and sliding the cuff forwards or backwards, then tighten to secure it. Fasten the lower arm cuff straps through the D-rings for a comfortable and snug fit. Please check you have good skin contact with no gaps between the upper and lower arm cuffs while using the brace. How to put on your brace for flexion therapy. To fit the brace for flexion therapy, follow the same fitting steps used during extension. Turn the therapy knob to match the furthest you can comfortably bend your arm. Position your arm using the elbow joint marker as a guide, lining it up with the tip of your elbow. Then fasten the cuff straps and make sure everything feels comfortable and snug before starting your therapy session. How to fully bend your arm with the brace. As your arm bends further, you might feel the upper and lower cuffs start to press against each other. If this happens, simply loosen the strap on the upper arm cuff and move it out of the way. This will help you to fully bend your arm when required during your therapy session. Clip-on stand position. If the therapy knob won't turn all the way during flexion therapy, try removing the clip-on stand or reposition it to help you get the full movement during your session. Following your JAS therapy session. The recommended JAS therapy session is 30 minutes and is split into 6 5-minute stretches, during which you'll gently stretch your arm with the brace and hold the position. After each 5-minute stretch, pause and check the level of stretch you're feeling. Some people may be advised to start with shorter therapy sessions and gradually build up to 30 minutes. Please follow the treatment plan as recommended by your healthcare professional. We will now go through each step of the JAS therapy session, starting with Step 1, finding your stretch level. Before you start your session, turn the therapy knob until you feel a gentle, pain-free stretch. Use the stretch scale from 0 to 10, where 0 means no stretch and 10 means a painful stretch. For the best results, aim for a gentle stretch level of 2 or 3 on this scale. Never push yourself to a painful stretch. It won't help you improve faster, and it could affect your JAS therapy results. Once you've found your pain-free stretch level, you are ready to begin your treatment. Step 2. Hold your stretch position. Hold your gentle stretch for 5 minutes. When the time is up, pause and check the following. If your stretch level has reduced, this is a good sign that you're responding well to the treatment. Turn the therapy knob until you feel a level 2 to 3 stretch again. If you feel no change in the stretch level, you may need more time to respond. Keep everything the same and hold this position. If the stretch level has increased, you may have gone beyond your gentle stretch level. Turn the therapy knob in the opposite direction to lower it back to a level 2 to 3. Repeat this process for 6 stretches to complete a 30-minute therapy session. Ending the treatment. After you've finished your 30-minute treatment, carefully turn the therapy knob to release the stretch and unfasten the straps. Gently remove the brace from your arm. It's common to feel some joint stiffness following your JAS session. To relieve this, gently straighten and bend your arm. Congratulations on completing your JAS therapy session. Please follow your treatment plan as recommended by your healthcare professional. If you have any questions or experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare team for assistance. Thank you for watching.